fat ponies. All the fat ponies. Come on, ponies. All the fat ponies. Now I'm too close. How come this won't back up? Too many noses now. Too many noses. There's Crystal. Can't get my picture to go back. It's froze in place, I guess. There's Charlie. There's Classy. Big pony. There's her baby. Don't you know the camera wouldn't work right? There's two. There's two ponies. Plenty old ponies. They're wanting to know what the stallion's doing.